Bonjour à tous et bienvenue à votre nouveau cours de français. Today we are going to learn about a very common phrase in French, which is qu'est-ce que c'est? So let's learn about its usage, pronunciation and meaning. First of all, let's see how do we pronounce it. So here it is. Our first word is QU apostrophe EST. This will be pronounced as ke. The second one we have is sir, and then QUE is pronounced as k. And the last one is C apostrophe EST, and it is pronounced as say. And if we join it together, then this whole sentence will be pronounced as qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Alright, I guess the pronunciation is clear to you. Now let's move forward. So, what does qu'est-ce que c'est mean? It means what is this or what are these? Okay, now let's see how do we respond to this question. So, if someone asks you qu'est-ce que c'est, then your answer could be from one of these. So, the first one is say, C apostrophe EST, and it is pronounced as say, which means this is. And the second one is ce sont, which means these are. Say is used for singular answers and ce sont is used for plural answers. Now let us understand it better with the help of some examples. Now look left hand side, there is an image of a computer, right? And our question is qu'est-ce que c'est, which means what is this? So how do we respond it? We will say c'est un ordinateur, which means this is a computer, right? And on the other side there is an image of two computers. So here we will use ce sont, which means these are, because it is plural. So we will say ce sont des ordinateurs, alright? Now come to the second example. Here for one pencil we have used c'est un crayon, which means this is a pencil. On the other hand, there are many pencils, so we will use ce sont des crayons. Now come to the last example. Here c'est un gâteau will be used for one cake and ce sont des gâteaux will be used for more than one cake. I hope these examples are clear to all of you. Now it's your turn to practice some questions. So in the first question there is one pen. So we will write c'est un stylo, which means this is a pen. And in its second part there are many pens. So we will write ce sont des stylos, which means these are some pens. Similarly, in the second question there is one scale. So we will write c'est un règle, and in its second part there are more than one scale. So we will write ce sont des règles. Alright? C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Au revoir et merci beaucoup.